Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my garlic and lemon chicken breast recipe. Now this chicken breast is going to turn out nice and crispy on the outside and nice and juicy on the inside. So stay tuned. So I'm starting off with 2 chicken breasts and I'm cutting off these little side parts and leaving them to the side for now. I'm going to take some plastic wrap and put it over the chicken, and if you have a meat mallet you can use it here, but I don't have one, so I'm going to be using a rolling pin. I'm just going to push down on the chicken, trying to flatten it as much as possible. I'm doing this because it helps the chicken breast cook evenly. Now that it's nice and flattened, I'm going to transfer it to the bowl. So now it's time to season it. I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, about 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice, and this is some minced garlic and olive oil that I make and keep in the fridge. I'm adding about 1.5 teaspoons of this, but you can just add 2 cloves of minced garlic instead. And now I'm just mixing everything into the chicken breast. I'm going to leave the chicken on the counter to marinate for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I've heated my cast iron skillet on medium, and I'm adding a good amount of avocado oil, and then I'm adding the chicken breast. I'm going to pan fry each side for about 5 minutes, and I'm putting on my splash guard just to be safe, making sure that no oil splashes out of the pan. 5 minutes has passed, and I'm going to flip onto the other side for another 5 minutes. So I'm pan frying the chicken breast so that it gets a nice brown color on the outside. So after 5 minutes, I'm going to take the marinade that I had in the bowl, and I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, along with a 1/4 cup of water, and I'm going to pour it into the skillet. And now I'm going to baste the chicken with the marinade on medium-low heat. I'm going to cover this for another 5 minutes. So my chicken is done, and I'm going to let it rest before cutting into it so that the juices have time to set and won't just flow out once I cut it. I started slicing the chicken breast, and I'm going to use them in a few ways. I'm adding some of the chicken breast on a kale and spinach salad. I'm using some to make a chicken grilled cheese sandwich, and I'm using some more to make some chicken wraps for the kids. So if you make this chicken breast, let me know how it goes in the comments below. And if you like my meal ideas, please click on that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, take care.